Let me show you how to create a simple flower. This is going to come really useful in the spring. So I've started off with this nice cornflower blue, and with a dotting tool and a white gel paint, I start off with placing one dot. This is going to be my middle where I'm going to be working out where I want my petals to be. So you want to pop on one above it, one below it, and then two on each side. So we're not going straight in the middle, we're going to put in two on each side. We want that to be 6 petals and 2 of them will be at a slight angle. So once you're happy with the size of your dots, remember you can always add more gel with your dotting tool, and if you want them to look a little bit more round, use your dotting tool to go round and round inside the petal. It will give it that nice rounded off look that we're looking for at the top of each petal. Grab your favorite nail art brush, and then we're going to start pulling down towards the middle. So start off with a line in the middle, just so it's going towards that dot in the middle of the nail of the design, and then slowly with a slightly arched brush, we're making small strokes, arching that gel towards the middle, creating petals. And you're going to repeat that process on all 6 petals. So we're going down and then slightly, very slightly arching that brush towards the middle, and that is giving us the beautiful petals. Don't worry if this is not going to be perfect first time round. It always takes practice. Practice on some practice tips rather than a client, just so you can spin the nail around, the tip around, just so you can get a feel of how things have to be before you start to have to work on your hand placement. So always supporting yourself with your pinky. And then if I'm working on the side petals, for example, I pop my hand the other way round, so I kind of bend it round so that I can get to the petals. But you can also start brushing down from the middle towards the top of the petal. So remember, if you make any mistakes at the top of the petal, you can always go back in with your dotting tool and rectify that by going round and round at the top of the petal. But this is how you create a nice, simple looking flower, and you will see that in the spring it's going to be a lifesaver when you're creating all those beautiful floral designs. Once you're happy with the white petals, cure that in the lamp, and I'm going to show you how to elevate your flower to the next level. So going from a completely simple flower to now elevating it a little bit. You want to grab yourself some black gel paint, and on your brush you are brushing very lightly. You're almost not touching those bristles to the nail plate. You are going to pop on a few lines at the base of the flower. This is going to elevate it to that next level. So it's going from looking like a really simple flower to something a little bit more interesting with a little bit more depth. So pop on those little lines, and then all we've got left is popping on that middle of the flower, top coating, and you're done. So practice, practice, practice. And remember, whenever you need help, you can reach out and I'm here to help.